Welcome and what is up there everybody, this is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video we'll be talking about should you buy Tesla stock right now, because recently it's been on a massive dip. It literally went from the price of around $675 per share to now $620 per share, or even right now it's lower than $620 per share. So what should you do? I'm just going to be going over my own thought process and my own analysis on this stock. So make sure to do your own due diligence and do your own research before making any purchases or selling off any stock. It's just my opinions and I'm not a financial advisor or anything. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So taking a look at Tesla's stock chart, we can see that it did have a pretty big sell-off, and it was a pretty quick sell-off, honestly. And if we even scroll back, we go back to the maybe 4-hour chart, we can see a little bit better that there was a wedge here. There was a wedge with the upper bound at around $650 per share, and then this we can draw this trend line here that was basically used as a support for the wedge. And like all wedges they usually end up breaking out in a certain direction. But what this looks like to me, which I'm not any super genius kind of person who's had 25 years of experience, I'm just someone who does my own research and knows a little bit of technical analysis. To me, this looks like a little bit of a false breakout, where you thought that the stock is going to break out after it broke the $650 barrier, but it ended up turning back to where it was, and now it's going to probably either continue following this support line right here, so it's bound to bounce back up sometime soon, or I'm going to give you guys a different perspective on what might be happening. And this is the one I think that is more likely going to happen. So if we take a look at the 30-minute chart and we take the Fibonacci retracement, we grab the highest point here and right before it broke out, so around this area, we got to drag it across right around here. All right, so as I zoom in, you guys can see that there's definitely a lot of lines here. Let's try to go back to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I guess it's tough to see in either one of the charts, but what you can 100% see in here is that the Fibonacci retracement did sort of predict the bounce back down right here. It almost exactly went up to the point of $675 per share and went up a little bit more, but it then spiked back down. It hit that $675 price target, and then it bounced back down. And now what looks like the support is gonna be probably what I personally think is, if we take a look at the 30-minute chart again, I'm pretty sure that it's going to be around the area where this stock jumped down. So it actually did hit that support right just a few minutes ago, I think. Right now, it looks like either it's going to stay around this area and bounce back up around $617 per share, and then bounce back up. I would probably see it bouncing back up to at least $650 per share from here. And if it does end up going below, it either can do a false breakout, or it could actually really break out and probably continue trending downwards until it hits the support line. There's I guess another support line here if you guys want to take a look, that this stock price uses support many times before already at around $600 per share. You use it once here as a resistance, here's the resistance, here's the support again, and if it does fall below, then the next step would probably be around the SMA line for sure. So yeah, it's either bounces back up, slows down around the area it is, consolidates a little bit, maybe goes back up, or if it does break through, it's gonna probably end up going to around $600 per share. It'll have another chance to bounce back up. If it doesn't and it breaks through again, it might just end up going down to around the maybe $580 area per share. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. I'm personally just scooping up shares as it dips down, little by little, just averaging in. But make sure you guys do your own research and make your decisions based on your own thoughts and opinions. I'm just here to help you guys out, provide some kind of entertainment and valuable information for those who are interested. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.